Dear students of UTAMU, let me take you through on how to access the timetable. Our beloved students, once you put in the link of utamu.ac.ug, then you go under where there is students live. You go under where there is students live. Under student life, you're going to find timetable, teaching timetable. So you click on teaching timetable and then the site will load accordingly. Now you have access to the timetable depending on the level you are on. If you are undergraduate, then you click on undergraduate. If it happened that you are on graduate student, then you click on graduate student. All these possibilities are there depending on the semester you are running up to the fourth semester. Now for undergraduate, dear students, you will have access to timetable by program depending on what you want, even by course. Now I will click by program. Once you click on timetable by program, you're going to find that it shows May intake. The May intake timetable is going to be shown to you, and then you'll have access and then you click according to the program that you are going to be running. I will try to sample with BPPLM or BBA. Then you click on BBA and then you'll get to know what time are they going to be having the class. Now depending on this one for computer application, they will have it on Monday. As you can see, Monday from 9 to 11. Then you can see that they have other courses that which are going to be running on Tuesday, and then you can get to know who is the lecturer, and then you see accordingly. So this is their timetable. Then you can see the papers which are there, and then you have access to your timetable. If you want to go back, again, it is very simple that you can use the navigation arrows and then you go back and access other programs. So that's the way you can access your programs. For undergraduate, for graduate student, you click on the same and then you click on the program, and then it will be very easy for you to access the programs accordingly. Those are the programs for May, and then you choose the program that you are running. If I'm running Masters of AI, you click on Masters of AI if it is semester 1, and you access all the papers. And these papers are running on Saturday. They're starting from 11 depending on our timetable. So you have access to the timetable. Thank you very much for watching. Continue loving UTAMU. We shall give you the best. May God bless you all.